Hello everyone. Today I found something very special in my garden. A plant called Kothala Himbutu in English. It is known as Salacia or sometimes lollyberry plant. This is a well-known medicine plant in Sri Lanka and has been used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for many years. The most interesting benefit of Kothala Himbutu is that help to control blood sugar level. Because of this, many people use it as a natural remedy for diabetes. Not only that, it may also help with weight control, improve digestion, and support overall health. Usually, the stem or bark of the plant is used. People boil it in water and drink it like a herbal tea. But remember, even though it is natural, it is always best to use it carefully and get advice from a doctor or Ayurvedic expert. The fruit of Kothala Himbutu is small and round, usually reddish to dark purple when ripe. It looks like a tiny berry and grown in a cluster on the vine. The outer skin is smooth and inside it has a soft texture. When it comes to taste, the fruit is slightly sweet but also a bit sour and earthy. It is not like a common sweet fruits. It has a unique wild herbal taste that shows its medicinal nature. I am really happy to find this valuable plant in my own garden. Nature always gives us amazing gifts. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural and healthy videos.